Hello friends, so here I'm gonna share with you the recipe for my chicken or tofu lettuce wraps. Here I'm making the sauce with some soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and some sriracha, and the quantities are going to be in my recipe. Then I cut up my vegetables. I like to use bell peppers, mushrooms, and here I've chopped my chicken thighs and some red onions. I have taken some oil in a skillet on high heat and I'll fry my chicken, and I'm going to add to it some ginger and garlic. So minced garlic and ginger, and I'll fry it for a few minutes, and then I'll season with salt and pepper. Frying it basically will just get rid of all the pink meat and everything. Now I added like half of the sauce to it. Same I'm doing with the tofu now, adding ginger, garlic, salt, pepper, and then I'll finish with the sauce. And then I'll keep them both aside, like in separate bowls. Now I'm gonna start preparing my veggies. So I'm going to take some oil, and I'm gonna saute the onions with the bell peppers and the mushrooms, and then basically I'll just split my vegetables into each bowl, like bowl of the tofu and bowl of the chicken, and then I'll just mix this some veggie half of the veggies with the tofu and half of vegetables with the chicken, and then prepare them that way, and then set them aside in a bowl. um, um, Tofu separately, then the chicken. Here you can see that I've added the vegetables to the tofu, and then I've also, I'm gonna fry the vegetables with the chicken, and then, kind of give it a shake. And then I have added some more sriracha because my family likes to, have more spice in their food. And then I'll do the same thing with the tofu here. And then finally, I'll add the oyster sauce, the mixture I made with the oyster, sriracha, and the soy sauce into the skillet, and just give it a shake, similarly to the chicken mixture. And then we'll just, set them aside. And then just will they'll all be ready. Everything will be ready to just serve with the lettuce wrap. So to set up the lettuce wrap, I just use, I put the filling inside, and then I topped it with pineapple. And you can also, for a crunch, you can add like roasted honey peanuts. I've used spring onions, and they're ready to enjoy. And you can add all kinds of spiciness to it if you want.